Here we have a Pioneer receiver motherboard. This was mailed in here because of a damaged HDMI port. This is a screw hole HDMI port, and the good thing is I do have that port in stock because I've worked on one of those before, not the same exact board, but on a similar receiver board where we had to use a screw hole HDMI port like the one that you see here. This is the one that the customer mailed over, and this is the one that we have. The port has to go in like this. And as you can see, this is the screw hole plate on the top, and the customers. It's the same port. The most important thing is if the legs will go in, and look at this, perfect fit. So the customer is lucky that we have this part in stock. We're gonna start by cleaning up the board, and we'll solder the HDMI port on. We have unleaded solder on the board, which means that it's going to take a lot of heat to wake the solder off. So a wise thing to do is to mix it with leaded solder or low melt solder so we can lower the melting temperature. We always use low melt. Let's use leaded this time. Okay, that should be good. Let's solder on the new HDMI port. And awesome. The port fits in perfectly. Look at this. Fits in just perfect. Very nice. We're gonna apply flux. And of course we have to change the tip on our soldering iron. So let me do that right now. I'm gonna pre-apply solder onto the soldering iron tip. We're gonna press down on the HDMI connector, and we're gonna go like this. I just want to secure the connector in place so we can flip the board and solder the back. Then we can come back to finish the front. So I have a big solder blob on the tip, and I just want to apply solder to the pins. We'll fix them later. The port is soldered on from the front. We're gonna come back to it, but let me take care of the back. And of course, not with that same tip. We have to change the tip for the back. The back is done. And look at how nice and shiny those solder joints are. You can honestly see yourself with them, just like a mirror. Let's flip the board and finish off soldering the front pins. While that big tip is still on, let's run over the pins quick. Just soak the pins with solder. Just spread the solder all over the pins, and the big tip will do magic. we have a little bit of an access at the end, no problem. And the front is good. The pins should be soldered down perfectly, but we still have to test and make sure that all the pins are solid. One, two, three. Super solid. And every single pin is making a very solid connection. This is what you call better than factory soldering. Now I just see something black somewhere on the board. I do not know what that is. This here, what's this? What is this? Oh, it's nothing. And let me just get rid of it. I mean, I just like to quickly go over the board. I always do a quick physical inspection. Just make sure everything looks good. And right now the port that we changed is this one here. You can tell it's still shiny. And we did an excellent job. Excellent job. We're gonna invoice and mail the board back to the customer. And that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and we'll do something else in the next video.